Can you start a business with just a LinkedIn page without a website? Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again, and today we're talking about, can you use your LinkedIn page if you don't have money yet to develop a website for your business? So this is how it goes. I feel like social media is a very good way to get your audience. Apparently, the only downside to it is you don't own LinkedIn, you don't own the traffic. But if you're getting your clients on LinkedIn, you're getting your clients on any other social media, let's say maybe Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media it may be. Right now, talking about LinkedIn, it's possible that you can, build an audience on that platform. But the problem is, when you build an audience on that platform, you don't own that audience 100% because that audience is for that platform. And once that platform decides to change its algorithm or decides to change anything else in its settings, then the chances that you may lose your audience is big. That's why I always recommend business owners to have a website of their own, because they can get traffic using these social media platforms like LinkedIn to take people from LinkedIn to websites, and then the audience on their website, they can manage that because it's their website and they know exactly how to manage that. But is it possible? That's what I'm here to talk about. Yes, it's possible to just use a LinkedIn page as your website or as your source of contact, because LinkedIn pages can be customized. People can get to contact you. So most of the time we've talked about how do you start a business without money. So if you don't have money and you want to build a business and you want to start on LinkedIn, it's a very good idea. LinkedIn is free. LinkedIn page is free. No one's going to charge you for that. They're all free. You can use them, and if you have a phone number or an email address, which are all free, you can start your business on that. So what do you need once you have established this thing? So you build your LinkedIn page, optimize it, put your contact details, and then people will keep on contacting you, and then keep posting on that page. So that will act like your website if you really optimize it fully. And if you have other questions or you want to learn more about on how to grow a business on LinkedIn, click over here. There is a playlist and videos on how to grow your audience on LinkedIn and grow a successful business on LinkedIn. And if you have any other questions, click in the description link below or click over here again, and there'll be a website on a course. You can book a call with us and to help you on how to start building your audience or your business on LinkedIn or getting those leads for B2B businesses. So if you have your own website and you're ready on LinkedIn and you're generating leads, it's a good thing for you. But if you don't have a website yet and you're thinking of starting your business on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is very powerful. It's a good idea, and I think you should go for it. And if you're new here, my name is ACIERO. I'm based in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks lots. Thanks for your support. Love you lots. And continue watching more videos on this channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and kisses, and love you. And